We all want to improve, reach our big goals, and live a fulfilled life, but success in any worthwhile endeavor necessitates hard work and self-discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment, Jim Rohn said. In this video, we will share with you 5 habits to build self-discipline and build that bridge. When you put in the effort and do what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, regardless of whether you feel like doing it or not, you get positive results. This is the fundamental principle of self-control. Self-discipline refers to your ability to control and regulate your emotions, actions, and impulses without the need for an outside force or other people to direct your behavior. More people than they would like to admit struggle with self-control and self-discipline when it comes to daily practices and good habits. The significance of self-discipline. When you're wired for discipline, your mind takes control and you act on your thoughts rather than your feelings, moods, or whims. Self-discipline is thus your key to success because it enables you to achieve self-control and self-mastery through willpower and self-restraint, both of which are beneficial to your overall good and well-being. Self-discipline is essential because it allows you to do multiple things. It ensures that you complete what you begin. It keeps you from acting rashly. Not only that, but it boosts your self-esteem. It focuses your attention on your objectives. It allows you to meet deadlines. It improves your self-esteem. It provides you with a sense of control over your life. You realize that you don't have to rely on others to push you to work, rely on willpower, or wait for motivation to strike you as you cultivate empowering habits of self-discipline. You are motivated to give your all and can accept anything you set your sights on. Here are 5 daily habits to help you develop more self-control and self-discipline. 1. Stick to routines and schedules. Create empowering habits for self-discipline by cultivating routines and adhering to patterns. Having a routine gives structure to your day, organizes your life, and makes practicing self-discipline easier. A regular daily work schedule provides familiarity and predictability. It allows you to see what's coming up next and determine how to manage your time and prioritize the necessary tasks. It will be difficult at first to stick to the daily schedule, but with enough practice, you will be able to do your work effortlessly. Following a positive daily routine helps you develop self-discipline and overcome procrastination, allowing you to focus on the task at hand and accomplish more. 2. Postpone gratification to work towards your goals. You should always resist temptation and disregard instant gratification. So get in the habit of resisting the urge to grab something you like right now and pushing yourself to hold it for a little longer. Allowing go of immediate comfort and embracing pain and hard work to achieve a larger goal will aid in the development of self-discipline and resilience. Being more in control of yourself and training yourself to see the big picture allows you to ignore minor pleasures and focus on your goals and priorities, which will bring you bigger rewards. 3. Acquire clarity. You frequently avoid doing things because you are unsure of what needs to be done or how to go about doing it. Mental clutter, chaos, and brain fog confuse, slow you down, disinterest you, and prevent you from thinking clearly and acting. Before you begin anything, you must first understand what you are attempting to accomplish and what action steps must be taken to complete the task, project, or reach a goal. As a result, developing the habit of gaining clarity is critical if you want to improve your self-discipline. It is easier to make choices, make decisions, and carry out meaningful work when you are clear about what you want. 4. Concentrate on your flaws. Everyone has their own set of advantages and disadvantages, strengths and weaknesses. Whereas your positive qualities and traits position you for success, your negative traits impede your ability to complete tasks and achieve goals. To develop self-discipline, you must be honest with yourself and make genuine efforts to identify and accept your weaknesses. Any attempt to ignore your negative qualities will only hinder your chances of making rapid progress toward your goals and result in mediocre results. There is no shame in admitting personal flaws. No one is perfect, everyone has negative personality traits. Wisdom is found in accepting who you are and striving to be the best version of yourself. Getting into the habit of constantly reflecting on your strengths and flaws can be a game changer. If you are unable to identify your defects and shortcomings on your own, seek feedback from others. People close to you are sometimes better suited to point out your blind spots and assist you in overcoming your flaws. Removing stumbling hurdles by either improving or working around them can help you develop self-discipline and boost your chances of success in anything you do. 5. Visualize the end goal. We are all hoping that our efforts will be fruitful. When you visualize yourself succeeding in your purpose and see your mind's eye becoming more optimistic about your efforts, your confidence grows, and you are motivated to do what needs to be done. Visualization boosts your passion, making it simpler to apply self-control and stick to your goals. To get ahead in business and life, develop the practice of visualizing yourself doing what you want to achieve and already being there. The good feeling you get from success will motivate you to develop self-discipline and stay focused on your goals without becoming distracted. Habits and behavior do not come naturally. Self-discipline can be taught, and you may train yourself to avoid distractions, reject the easy road, choose to do difficult things for the greater good, and achieve long-term goals. Self-discipline is a necessary component of any success story. People that shine and make it big in their industry typically have this distinguishing characteristic that drives them to persevere and work even when they are unmotivated or they think the task at hand is uninteresting or difficult. People who are self-disciplined practice self-denial and self-control. As a result, they are more productive and in a better position to achieve than others. They are also more relaxed and stress-free. On that note, we would like to thank you for watching.